Hey guys, I am back with another Benable list. Okay, so this is my Instagram page. I was just checking it out for a couple things, but guys, go ahead and follow me. My bio link also have items in there that are created with affiliate links, and these are my Benable lists. I have some exciting news. I just happen to be just minding my business, and then look what shows up. I actually got someone who viewed and brought something from my list. It wasn't just that they viewed it like I have had in the past, but this person actually brought an item and I was so excited. So I wanted to share it with you guys. I'm like, okay, now I'm up to $6.31. I appreciate that so much. Okay. So yeah, guys, as usual, remember if you want to get on Benable, you need to be invited through a code. And here is my code, okay? Go ahead and use it and get off the waiting list. Do not just apply. Use the code. It's invite only. And once you're in, you're in. Okay? You can create as many lists as you want to. All right. So the list that I want to make today, I'll be honest, I'm not sure what I want to make today. That's why I was on TikTok doing some research. So let's put in something like um, trending gift items. Uh, look, trending gift items for Clothing Boutique in 2023. For 2023, items for him, for her. I've been thinking about like baby items. So of course I've changed a couple things on this list, only a couple. I think I'm just gonna I added Black Friday, Thanksgiving Day. Of course the list goes on past 75 on my 75-day journey. It is what it is at this point. I know I'm definitely missing days, but I'm so happy for having those bits of I guess like trickled in type of just money coming in with those affiliates and everything. I'm gonna add this over here. With those affiliate coins that are coming in, even though they're tiny, I'm like, you know what? It's all gonna add up by the end of the year. And I can't wait to show you guys where I came from to where I end up. Because I know it's gonna be dope, right? So I'm thinking about like baby items because I have a couple of baby showers I have to go to. Then I was thinking about weddings. I have a couple of weddings I need to go to. I just came back from a friend's birthday dinner 2 days ago. Really trying to manage all my time while I going to school and working, right? So I don't know. Baby shower, baby shower items. Oh, you know how people say like, oh, my kid is 12 months old or 24 months old instead of just saying like 1 or 2 years old. So weird, right? But it's what they do. Um, think I'm gonna do the same thing too. I'm pretty sure that's not how they also write it, so I need to figure that out. And you know what? I was thinking about how, you know how with the Jewish people they have bar mitzvahs. I was thinking in the Mexican culture they have quinceañeras, and of course the sweet sixteens and stuff like that. I was also thinking about those type of ideas too, because obviously those are not themed around the holidays, but I think it'd be really dope to create a list like that in case someone is looking for items like that, they can find it, right? So these are actually completed. I'm just going to update these in my Notion. Completed. Thanksgiving Day. No. So hope this. Yes. Hey, the command works. I have to do it a certain way. So you said so. And still have so much more to learn in Excel. Amazing, right? YouTube channel. Okay, I just wanted to go in and update those things so whenever I need to go and refer to it or check out the description of what I put in there, I can go back, get that, copy it, and put it onto the next video I create. So I'm not gonna do Thanksgiving. I think I want to do a trending item somewhere, like a Christmas wishes type of thing. Is Christmas already on here? It's Thanksgiving is. How about this? We're gonna do. Oh, found it. I was gonna do Control F, like I did have a good time. Fine. I love my notable for this. Just like drag items up. So Christmas gift ideas. Mm, I'm thinking, okay, based on my mini research over on this side, right? I'm gonna do like mom and me. I duplicate, I can duplicate. Then I'm gonna do mom and dad. Duplicate again. Gonna do add an I. But duplicate. We'll duplicate another time. I need to I don't know. Tweens. Is tweens something that's good teens? No, right? It's not for teens. And I am not gonna do a whole gender thing because I'm only gonna have mom and dad. Okay. Oh gosh, but now I'm thinking about like boyfriend and girlfriend stuff. OMG. That's definitely not something I want to duplicate. Okay. Um, girlfriend gifts. You get a gift for your teacher? That's so crazy. I didn't even think about that. Boyfriend gifts. Okay. I think I'm better off with girlfriend gifts and boyfriend gifts. 'Cause now in the back of my head, I'm thinking I'm overthinking this whole situation. That's exactly what I'm thinking right now. Go back. How do we get out of that? Okay. All right. Gift ideas, girlfriend, gift ideas, boyfriend. Everyone's looking, searching it like, oh, they're putting it like boyfriend gifts and, well, no. Not saying that's not part of my language. That's not how I would say it. I was like, oh, do you have a present? I guess I would say gift. I don't know. I'm overthinking all this now. It's so funny, like when I am having a conversation or I'm doing something else completely different, I can just be like just relaxed and I'll have these ideas. And then it just like blossoms into this one. I'm like, oh, okay, all right. So if you're gonna give a gift to your fiance, your wife, she's also gonna be a mom one day, God willing, of course, right? Or if she chooses to be a mom. Like items like that. And now look at this Sephora. Oh, I can do a Christmas gift idea for Sephora. Insane. Or Ulta, right? Gosh. Y'all, you're just gonna have to watch me create all this. That's why I manage my ideas right now. Let's go on this. Was that what I saw? I see. Boyfriend gift guide. We're gonna use this one. Yeah, really. My boyfriend gift guide. Does that sound better? My boyfriend gift guide. Christmas girlfriend gifts. It seems too wordy. My boyfriend gift guide. My boyfriend Christmas gift guide. I don't even know how to use that thing that comes out. What do you think? Let me know. My boyfriend, Christmas gift guides, Christmas girlfriend gifts. No, my girlfriend, and I can't just say my like boyfriend gift guide, right? Because it has to be geared to his Christmas because the holiday season's coming up, or holiday gifts for my boyfriend, right? Holiday gifts for my fiance. This has to be detailed, guys. Just watch the rest of the video. Yeah. Twisting my tongue up with this. Again, I'm just gonna focus on gifts. I think the easiest thing will be the boyfriend and girlfriend because mom and dad unfortunately is kind of neglected. But yeah, yeah, I think that's the best thing you can do. All right, guys, watch, endure, endure. Watch, enjoy, and of course, remember to use my code, okay? Using my code allows you to get onto the Benable website and start creating your list right away instead of you having to wait on a wait list to get in. All right. So go ahead and do that and start creating lists where you can get affiliate kickback like I did in my $6.31, right? All right. See ya.